Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried to get an auto clicker on your iPhone, you already know it's not as easy as it is on Android. But today, I've got something awesome to show you. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through how to get a fully working auto clicker on your iOS device. Yes, it works, it's free, and you don't need to jailbreak your phone or do anything complicated. So what does this auto clicker do? Once installed, the app gives you two main modes: a single target mode for tapping one spot repeatedly, and a multi-target mode if you want to automate taps in different places on the screen. You can adjust the speed, duration, and interval between taps, which makes it really flexible for whatever you need, whether it's grinding in a game, farming in an app, or even automating repetitive tasks. To prove this actually works, I'm going to open up Tap Titans 2, which is a perfect example of a game where an auto clicker can really come in handy. As you can see on my screen, the auto clicker overlay is already visible. I haven't touched the screen, but the clicker is doing all the work, tapping over and over automatically. This is just one way to use it, but honestly, the possibilities are endless depending on how you want to use it. Now let's get you set up. If you want this same auto clicker on your device, just follow along. First, open your preferred browser. Then go to clickerios.com. You can either type it directly into the address bar or search for it in Google. Once the page loads, you'll see a description of the app, what it does, and some basic instructions. Tap the Download for iOS button. If it's your first time on the site, you'll be taken to a short verification step. Don't worry, it's simple and clearly explained. You might be asked to complete a few basic steps. After that, you'll see a pop-up asking if you want to install a configuration profile. Tap Allow, go to your settings, and install the profile. Once that's done, the auto clicker app will show up on your home screen just like any other app. Make sure low power mode is turned off when using the auto clicker, as it may affect how it runs. If the app doesn't show up right away, restart your phone or check your device management settings to make sure the profile was installed correctly. Once it's running, you can go into the app and customize how it works to match your needs. And that's it. You now have a fully working auto clicker on your iPhone. Whether you're using it for gaming or just to automate some tasks, it's a super useful tool. If this video helped you out, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.